Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to bank account from Google Pay. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Google Pay and log into your Google Pay account. So once I've logged into your Google Pay account here, so now if you want to send money to your bank account, all you have to do is simply open up this option here, bank transfer option. So simply select that, and then here all you have to do is simply plug in the details of the bank account to the account that you want to send money to. So just plug in those details, for example. So once you've plugged in those details, hit on continue. So once that's done, you will get to this page screen here. So when you get to this screen here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this pay option. So click on this pay option, and then here all you have to do is type in the amount that you wish to pay, and then you can add a note if you want to, and then hit on this continue option here, and then it's going to ask you to confirmation to which account you want to pay. So you can just leave it as it is, or select the bank account if you want to change it, and then hit on pay. And then all you have to do is just simply plug in your GPay pin number, passcode, and then that's it. Your transaction will be completed. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you send money to bank account from Google Pay. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.